boys and girls, and welcome to reading. Today, what we're going to be talking about. Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to reading. Today, I want to teach you that readers ask good questions before reading a book. They do this by reading the title, the back blurb, and asking, what is this story going to be about? They also look at the illustrations and ask, who are the characters? This is important because it sets the purpose for reading. Let me show you an example. Yesterday, we read the book Alfie. The book Alfie has a picture of a girl and a turtle on the front. And I could ask myself before reading, who is the main character? And what is the problem going to be in the story? Because most fictional stories have a problem and a solution. So those are two questions I could be asking myself just by looking at the front cover of this book. And when you're in the story reading, you can also be asking yourself questions, like right here. Based on this picture, why is Nia carrying a balloon with a 6 on it? That's a good question. I don't know. This could be many reasons. Where is Nia in this part of the story? That's a question I could ask based on what I see in that picture. Looking at the picture of her drawing with the turtle and her talking to the turtle, what question could I ask myself? It looks like this Nia has different kinds of clothes on. When is this story taking place? So far I've asked why, I've asked a where, and I've asked a when question. And that's what I'm looking for you to do today. Let's look at another example. How does Nia feel about Alfie in this part of the story? You can see her face. That's a good question to ask. How does she feel about the turtle? And in this picture right here, this illustration, how is Alfie feeling in this part of the story? Alfie the turtle. How is he feeling based on the way that the illustrator wrote this or drew this picture? So we are trying to ask who, what, when, where, why, and how questions. This one right here is where we ended our story yesterday. Looking at this picture we are going to look at it and decide what kind of question could we ask based on this picture right here. I want you to think, what question could I ask? Who, what, when, where, why, or how? We are going to come back together and discuss what types of questions you could be asking based on this picture right here. So meet me back on Zoom so we can have a discussion, and then I will let you do your must do. I will see you back in a moment.